Good morning, friends. It's Sherry from Turquoise Dreaming. It's Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving. I'm here with a quick little video because I need to do a repeat giveaway. I had a giveaway where I gave away, it was my 1,000 subscriber giveaway, and I had 5 prizes, and 3 of them stepped up and 2 did not. And the reason for that, I think, is that the only thing I can figure out is that they were like one-time people to my, possibly, I'm just trying to figure it out, really, one-time visitors to my channel. Sometimes I think when people see giveaway, maybe they search giveaway, and they come and enter your giveaway, and then you never see them again. And if they don't have their notifications on, then they don't get notified of the drawing. So I tried every which way to get a hold of these people. I even replied under their comment to, where they entered the giveaway. If I reply under their comment, they should get a notification that I replied to them, but still no response. So I'm going to go ahead and do another giveaway, but this was 2 prizes. But this time I'm not going to deal with that. This is all going to be one thing. So it's 2 little Post-its here and this fun magazine journal that I had shown in the 1,000 giveaway, if you want to see what it looked like. Anyway, I'm using the same URL because I think that's only fair that the same people get a chance to win what I was giving away that day. And so, but I had 3 winners, so I'm going to try not to include them. You know what I mean? Like, I would like to have different winners. I really don't mind if the same people won, but the idea was to have, 5 different winners, and this way I'll have 4 different winners because 3 already stepped up. So I'm trying to pick 1 more, right? And the last person gets all this stuff right here. Maybe, I don't know. We'll see who comes up, and yeah, let's just do it here. So I've got, this is a little computer I got from my craft room, and it's really come in handy. It's just a Chromebook, and it's super inexpensive. I have it linked under my video, my favorite things now, because it's come in so handy here. So I've got the URL in there. I've got, where is it? It says 61 right here. 61 unique commenters. So I go down here. Let me make it go down. And I hit the start button. And we're going to see who the winner is. The new winner. Pinky Noble. All right. Pinky, that's awesome. I have, she's been friends with me for quite a while, and I've been friends with her, and yeah, this is cool. Yeah, I know where you live, but I don't know if I still have your address. So if you can send me your address again, and I'll look to see if I have it, but you are one of my first winners when I started doing giveaways, so I got organized after this and started writing down addresses in case I needed to send someone something again. So I have all my Happy Mail addresses and all my giveaway addresses in a little notebook now, but I don't know if I have you, Pinky, because, like I said, you were one of my first winners, like that when I ever started doing giveaways. So anyway, congratulations, and I'm going to post this video, and just, I know if I, send you a message, you'll get it. So anyway, congratulations, happy Thanksgiving, and see y'all next time.